Now, I understand you like glittery things.
I do indeed.
Well, that's wonderful because everybody loves glitter now that it's Halloween that's coming up. Apparently everything now has to have glitter on it, like smoothed all over it. Now they even have like pink pumpkins with glitter. I don't get the pink pumpkins.
No.
I don't like the pastels. They should be just traditional black, orange, and white maybe here and there for the ghosts. So anyway, I'm going to teach you how to use, that's right, Pledge or mop&glow to glitter your little bottles like this, because how can you get the glue in here? You put the glue in there and you try to roll it around and it sticks in there. It doesn't come out. So we're going to use Pledge. So you're going to take your little bottle. Take your little bottle.
My little bottle.
Your little bottle. And then I'm going to pour some Pledge in it. And you just swish
it around.
Swish it around. Now, what you're going to do, go ahead and make a little funnel from paper. And go ahead, get your glitter in there. Yeah.
Glitter in the funnel.
Glitter in the funnel. There you go.
Slither in.
Now just swish it around.
Swish it around.
Yeah, close it up, swish it around. Let me try to get some purple in here. Now let's see if this works, people.
Uh-huh.
Does it work?
It certainly does.
So whatever you're done with the glitter, you just pour it out and you don't waste any glitter. See, and it covers the bottle. Pour it back in the big jar and there you have your glittered bottle. You can do this for Christmas balls as well, anywhere. And if you want, you can put more, you can let this dry, put more mop&glow or whatever, and you glitter your bottle without using any kind of glue and making a mess.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Brilliant idea.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll come back with our last segment.